For problem 2, we're asked to do two things. First, we're asked to find the inverse of y equals 2x plus 1 over 3x minus 1, and then find the domain and range. In the second part, we're supposed to find the composition of the inverse of f of g of x, and g of x is equal to cosine x minus 1. So in order to find the inverse, we first need to switch x and y for every value. So we have x equals 2y plus 1 over 3y plus 1. Then what we do is we multiply 3y, that's 3y minus 1. We then multiply 3y minus 1 over. Then we distribute. And then we're going to move over the 2y and the x. So we're going to get 3xy minus 2y equals x plus 1. And then we're going to take out the y's from this half of the equation. And then we're going to divide over 3x minus 2. And that is the inverse. So the domain we're going to set the denominator equal to 0. And it gets us 3x equals 2, and then x equals 2/3. So our domain is going to look something like this. Negative infinity, comma 2/3, union 2/3, comma positive infinity. And then our range is all real numbers, or negative infinity, comma positive infinity. So for this step, all we're going to do is plug g of x for every value of x in our inverse. So we get cosine x minus 1 plus 1 all over 3 times cosine x minus 1 minus 2. So the numerator simplifies to just cosine x, the ones cancel, and when you distribute the denominator, you're going to get 3 cosine x minus 3, and then minus 2. And this simplifies to our final answer, cosine x all over 3 cosine x minus 5.